Hey YouTubies!
Hello, YouTube.
How's it going? Right, we are having ramen noodles.
In some language. I don't read Japanese.
Me either.
Or is it Chinese?
I don't know.
Okay.
And Pepsi.
Yeah, I gotta have Pepsi.
I got the broth in here to help soften it. Oh, I had a cheese. I don't know if we actually want cheese or not. You might on your half.
You're the one that usually uses the cheese.
Well, maybe. But something a little bit different. I got a little bit of sour cream also, just in case. So, how y'all doing?
But that one time that you made the cheesy ramen, even though you put too much cheese in it, that was really good.
Yeah, I think I could just put just a little bit less cheese, but it was good. It just I think it needs just a little bit of moisture. I think maybe I should have put it in a bowl, but we got our electric grill and it's like, I want to use it.
Yeah, you're supposed to put it in a bowl.
Do I even have it on? There we go. So it's like, I want to use it.
She makes me starve all day so I can...
I don't make you starve. There's food in there and you know it.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
I love you too.
Right.
Even if you do make me starve.
I don't make you starve.
Mm-hmm.
There's no
See,
way.
look at this.
You didn't put any cheese on my half.
You said you didn't want any.
I didn't say I didn't want any.
Yes, you did.
Okay,
Okay,
a little bit of cheese.
Okay.
Not a tiny bit.
Are you
a
gonna,
handful.
Are you going to cut it?
Ooh, it's starting to heat up.
Yeah, you got that a little too hot.
Yeah. Hey, it's keeping it hot. Just don't put your arm on it.
No, that's your dad that keeps grabbing things when they're hot.
Huh?
Your dad grabs things when they're hot.
Oh,
and
okay.
ouch, ouch. It's hot. Duh.
You're dropping it already.
Mm-hmm.
So hungry, I'm shaky. I can't get a hold of it.
That's the noodle. Not sure what I think of that. Got taste to it.
What kind of taste?
I don't know.
Sweet, spicy, aftertaste, what?
I don't know yet.
Now you got me curious.
It's got a little bit. Has my face turned red? It's got
Yeah.
a little bit of a spice to it.
Yeah, on both. Face turned red and... Oh dear. It's spicy ramen. I love you.
Sure, you keep torturing me with hot food after you make me starve all day.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
She does.
No. Never. I don't torture you.
Inside of my mouth feels funny now.
Huh? Mmm.
I said the inside of my mouth feels funny.
I say, yeah, try it with the sour cream. That's actually good that way.
I did.
I like it like that.
Mm-hmm.
I like it both ways. I mean, I like it with just regular spicy. It's not as spicy as I thought it was going to be, but I thought it was going to be like more spicy, like a lot more. I'm gonna say, wait a minute, somebody's being a little too quiet. Where'd she go?
She's right under here.
Okay. We have a chicken in the house right now. It's Jellybean. I'll show her after a while.
Free-range chicken inside.
She's got a injured foot. It's what they call it, bumblefoot. So I've been trying to get her to heal up from that. So for now, she's been in the house the last couple days. So I got her blocked off where she can't get out of the kitchen on that end. But this end, I don't have anything to block it off Oh,
a little warm.
you're not reacting near as like I thought you was gonna. You're like stunned, deer in the headlights sort of look.
Well, I'm used to ramen noodles being ramen noodles.
What do you mean? This is ramen noodles. You need to see the package?
Well, I figure it's ramen noodles. I just have no idea what.
It's Shin Ramyun noodle soup, gourmet spicy.
Which country?
I don't know. Chinese, I guess.
No, MSGHIM.
I don't know what the IM is, but
I don't know what the HIM is.
or yeah.
It does have a little bit aftertaste. A little spicy to it. Not anything's gonna kill you, but
Yeah. You're definitely reacting different than I thought. I thought he was gonna have a sort of a reaction.
no. Oh yeah. There's some jerk on there who's calling us fat. I mean, I've been fat my whole life pretty much, and I mean, I'm kind of used to it. I am the fat man. So, come up with a better one.
Yeah, a subscriber. Well, I don't know if they're a subscriber. Somebody left a comment saying we were fat. It's like, you're gonna have to come up with something better than that, honey.
I mean, if you can't tell that I'm fat by looking at me, I'm sorry. Do I need to take off my shirt? Show you my stomach? Yeah, I'm fat.
Oh. That's good with the sauce and the sour cream. What?
The emoji.
What? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What's a little toy?
Yeah, it's a poop emoji.
Hang on. Now I gotta show so everybody knows what the heck you're talking about. The little poop emoji I got a while back. That's what he's talking about. And it'd be in the background. Got that a couple months ago, I guess it was.
I remember somebody said they thought it was a chocolate ice cream emoji forever.
Okay.
It was a movie, so
Oh.
a show. Or
See, you're confusing me today. Like, what?
well, you do have red hair.
Oh. For those of you who've been wondering where we've been at and why I'm not posting for as much lately, I have been super sick. It's like every time I turn around lately, I am sick.
First she got sick, then I got sick, then her mom got sick, and then she got sick again.
And again, and again. I've been sick like, I think this is like the 7th or 8th time in like, since January. Where's she at? She's being like too quiet, like a little toddler.
Yeah, she made you a gift.
That doesn't surprise me.
At least it was on the linoleum floor.
That's the reason I left her in here on the linoleum, because she left a little guess it's at least in here.
And easier to clean.
Much easier than on carpet. Yeah, she's being super quiet. She's been talkative all day. The chicken, that is. Chicken's been talkative all day, doing her little cluck, cluck, clucks and everything. It's been adorable, but yeah, annoying sometimes and trying to sleep. But now she's all quiet. Like, what's wrong, Jellybean? I'll be glad when she gets better, because oh my goodness, my parents are driving me nuts. Asking the most stupid questions. When's she gonna be better? When are you gonna be able to turn her back out? It's like all kinds of questions like that. And then every variation of those questions that you can think of, they reword things. It's like, I don't know.
It got a little more bite after a minute.
It's like, I'm not a vet. I don't know this stuff.
I guess you put some vegetables in there too?
It came with a vegetable packets.
Oh.
So it's got a little bit of veggies in it. Dehydrated. It's got more in here. It got all in the broth. Do you like it or not like it? I can't tell.
I'm not sure.
I actually like it. It's got a little bit of kick. It's even better with the cheese and the sour cream and the broth.
Yeah, the sour cream puts the fire down, but it doesn't take it out.
Yeah. It just kind of mellows it just a little bit. Smooths it. Mmm. Really good with sour cream. And cheese.
Maybe a pack of mushrooms and a pack of mixed vegetables.
That's what I'm thinking if we do this again. Getting some fresh vegetables and mushrooms. I looked in the fridge to see what Mom had, but it was questionable and some of the stuff. So, like, I pulled out some avocados. I was going to put some avocados in a bowl on the side for us to snack on in between. Mom had them in there too long. They went bye-bye.
She puts a lot of things in there too long. It's like your cousin on his insulin.
Yeah.
Got a bunch of insulin from her cousin. And the first time we got it, he gave us a couple of bottles. And was like, oh, I can't really spare it. So then later, when his wife died?
No. Just before he died.
Oh, no, he got an insulin pump.
Yeah.
And he didn't need those type of vials anymore. So he sent us a bunch of insulin. He didn't rotate his stock. Some of it was expired for like 5 years. So obviously when he got it, he just pushed it in the front. Because we got a bunch of stuff, and it's like...
Yeah, and you can't do that with insulin. You've got to rotate it. Otherwise, it's not going to be as potent, and they'll not even work at all.
Or it might turn poisonous. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know enough about insulin. But I do know you need to rotate it. Just like any medications, if you don't use it, it loses its potency after a while.
Definitely better with the sour cream.
Yeah. I like it both. Yeah. I am not... How... People make this look so easy. Because I just about spilled my broth.
Watch a video how to eat Chinese style.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you, one of your problems is, I mean, you got your sticks
right
and ones
now,
like that far apart.
Yeah, that's just while trying to get some into the bowl. Yeah, well, here, fork me up some. Nah!
Thought you wanted some in the fork.
Oh, yeah. You're shaking my bowl. I just want... That should be enough.
I mean, normally I would tell her she can go fork herself, but hey.
Thank you. Hey.
Oops.
Behave.
I don't know where that came from.
Yeah, there's like a little bit of mushroom right there, even.
Oh.
Wait, no, that's like pork or something. I'm not sure what that is.
Came out my nose. Oops.
I'm not sure what that was. Did you just take all the sour cream?
No.
You did, didn't you? Well, not all of it. There's just a little bit left.
Yeah, there's some in the other thing.
Yeah, I'm getting it. You need more?
I'm good. It's definitely not as hot with
Sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
I figured I couldn't have it too spicy, otherwise you'd be sitting here and doing a little hot dance.
Well, now that I'm out of sour cream, yeah.
Do you need some? I can get, a dollop.
I can finish. So what in the world's a dollop?
A dollop. A little bit. You want some?
I told you I'm good.
Okay, I'm not sure. I'm looking after you.
After she makes me starve all day.
No, I didn't make you starve all day.
Yeah, she did. She was sleeping. She wouldn't get up to make me food.
I was so tired. Without feeling good, I have been sleeping so much. And your drink is like in the way.
I was advertising for Pepsi.
We're not being sponsored, so...
I know.
Why advertise with not being sponsored?
Hopeful. Yeah, sour cream really tones down the fire.
do have this. It's definitely got a little bit of kick to it. Not nearly like it didn't have the like the liquid spicy sauce like I've seen some people put into their noodles after they got them done cooking them. They had a powdered mix to put into the water. So I guess we're gonna have to order online to get the real spicy noodles to do the real fire noodle challenge.
What for?
Okay, at least me.
Yep.
I do it, especially if I had cheese and sour cream.
Yeah, first thing she wants to do is spice it up, and then she wants to put something in it to kill the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Clutch.
Yeah.
Redhead.
Yep. Are you done? Hey, I don't want your fork.
Oh, you didn't say you didn't want it.
Mm. What, you actually gonna drink the broth?
Well, I'm going to taste it.
Oh. I like it. Yeah, I should stand to eat more of this. This is actually good.
Broth definitely got more heat to it than the noodles.
I probably should have put it in a bowl, or even put it in a bowl and put on the. I don't know how that would have been to put it on the bowl and put it on the cooker though.
Oops, excuse me. I mean, excuse her. That was her did it. She did it, not me.
At least she said excuse me this time.
Oh.
Mm.
I think coming out of one end, it's coming out of the other. Oh.
I don't know how some people. I'm not gonna say any names, but I don't know how some people that eat their noodles take humongous fist-sized bites of it.
They got a very large, well-trained mouth.
And like shovel it in, like literally. It's like, girl, you're gonna choke on that. Just saying. Like,
Okay.
dang. You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right.
Love you.
Oh, real? That feels good. Oh.
My eyes are watering a little bit.
Finish up with your fork. Oh.
Wow.
Making a mess. You gonna be okay over there?
Uh-huh. Oh, man, there's no way I could handle a big thing of this.
So maybe I should have put it in a bowl.
Yeah, maybe, well, once you added the cheese and stuff, it would help really mile it out. But
We bought the electric grill, and it's like every chance I get, I want to use it because, you know, I bought one of these for years.
Okay.
Just never got around to getting it.
That's why she starves me, so I'll eat whatever stuff she makes.
All right, love you.
Love you. Hi, Jellybean.
I'll be down here a bit.
Okay.
Mmm.
I'll let you finish my Pepsi.
Okay. Oh man, that was good.
It was good. It was just a little hot.
Sorry.
Oh, man.
Definitely didn't react like I thought you would. You actually with deer in the headlights sort of look.
You need to scoot forward a little bit.
Like you were. Oh yeah, I forgot the chicken tote being in the way. You could have gone around that way.
And I would have to move that thing.
Where's she at?
Over there still.
Okay. I don't know.
Move from
She's
there.
being so quiet, like a little toddler is gonna be getting into trouble. All right. Love you.
Love you.
All right. So I think that's it for today. My mouth is like feeling the fire afterward. Definitely the cheese and the sour cream really, I think, enhanced it. Still got the kick, but enhanced it. So definitely didn't react like I thought he was gonna. So, oh, excuse me. Let me push this back real quick. And I'm going to show you my girly. Let me get a drink first. Oh, man. 1 second here. Hey, Jelly. Jellybean. Girl. Whoop, keep the wings down. Keep the wings down. Hey. You okay? Alright. This is Jellybean. Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Turn that off. That's not need to be on anymore. Get you a little piece of noodle. Want that? You like that, didn't you? Yeah, this is Jellybean. She's in right now because she has an injured little footsie. She had what they call bumblefoot. So I had to, it's a, I don't even know really how to describe it. I've never had a chicken to have this before. You talking? Yeah? You were talking so pretty earlier today. Why are you using my boobs as a shelf? Again. She's like, got it where she likes, well, here, I gotta clean the table in a minute anyway. I'll just wash it down real good with hot soapy water. Yeah. But yeah, she's oh my goodness. She just laid me an egg. It's a soft shelled egg. She needs more calcium. I didn't say for you to eat off the, no, I said we're done eating, but still. Here, I'll give you little pieces. You can have little pieces. But yeah, she just got done laying me an egg with no shell on it. She'd been lacking. She's the only one of my chickens, for some reason, that's been lacking shell on her eggs. We've been putting oyster shells in their food. Well, actually, we get the oyster shell that's mixed in the food. No, get over here. You're not supposed to. If my mom seeing you on the table, oh my goodness, she would have a cow. Yes, she would have a cow because you being up here. But and we actually got an additional, what do you call it, calcium to put in a little bucket. To put in a little bucket so they can eat it as well. And she still is not getting enough calcium or something. Are you getting antsy? Alright, hop down then. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're such a pretty girl. You're getting hot, aren't you? Come on. Go get your food and water. Here you go, baby. Oh, watch out, watch out. Here you go. Wash everything. But, so yeah, I don't know why she's still not having shell on her eggs. So anywho, trying to get her foot to heal up so I can turn her back out with others, and reintroduce her to the rest of the flock. That's gonna be fun, trying to reintroduce her when I don't know how they're gonna react to her since she's been in the house for like 3 days now, I think. So my hair's a mess. I need to cut it so bad. So my parents, I swear, after treating her foot, they would have her out the same day if I wasn't taking care of her. And then her foot would get infected and rot off. It's like, hello, it needs time to heal before she goes back outside. It's like I cannot get that through their heads. So, I mean, if we had a space out there where we could have a separate pen for injured chickens, where I could treat them and do it outside, then that would be better. But because my dad didn't want to build a bigger chicken coop, I'm limited to what space I've got out there. So I've got to bring her inside to help treat her. Any chicken that it's just very frustrating. The stupid questions they've been asking, and then asking different variations of those stupid questions. And seriously, if they had their way, injured or not, she would be back outside with a flock, and her foot could just get infected. And like, hello, they act like because I care about animals that I'm the vet. It's like, I'm not a vet. I'm learning all of how to treat chickens as I go along. I don't really know anything about chickens. I just look up what I can on Google or YouTube and learn as I go. They don't even do that. But yet they want to just kick her back outside. And I'm like, no. So, anywho, enough of my little mini ranting. So, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Check out the links down below. Definitely did not get a reaction like I was hoping, but that was actually good. I got these from Walmart, and I would definitely recommend these if you like a little bit of spicy food. It was, I'd say, if I had to describe it, it'd be like the upper end of mild to medium as far as spicy. So, but the sour cream and cheese really kind of knocked it down just a little bit, where it's like a smoother spicy. And actually, in my opinion, taking it out of the broth actually helped kind of it not be as spicy too. So, anyhow, catch y'all later. I'm gonna. Oh, she's actually eating. I was gonna say I was gonna take care of my chicken, but she's actually eating. So, I'll catch y'all later. Bye bye.